Welcome to The Explainer. Have you ever heard a piece of information that is just so counterintuitive, you literally stop and think, okay, there is no way that's actually true? Well, today, we're exploring this fascinating piece of source material that pretty much flips our everyday perception of reality completely upside down. And it does it with just one single, undeniable fact. Really think about it for a second. We navigate our daily lives relying so heavily on assumptions, right? We just blindly trust the labels we slap onto the things around us. But what happens when a widely accepted fact sounds completely fabricated? It totally forces us to confront that weird disconnect between our comfortable, everyday assumptions and actual, documented reality.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, facts that sound fake. Because our source drops a massive, honestly reality-altering statement right into our laps here.
Here is the exact quote straight from the source. Bananas are technically berries, but strawberries aren't. Just let that sink in for a second. I know, it sounds like a massive typo, but no, this is actually presented as a certified, undeniably true botanical fact. So let's break this down, starting with the first half of this paradox. Section 2, the banana is a berry. And man, it is absolutely wild that a banana actually falls into this category. The absolute most crucial word here is technically. See, under strict botanical definitions, a berry is a fleshy fruit that develops from a single flower with one ovary, and, here's the kicker, it typically has its seeds on the inside. So, because a banana actually meets all of these specific structural requirements, science proudly categorizes it as a berry. Crazy, right? Which brings us to our next jarring pivot. Section 3. Strawberries are not berries. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer deception in the strawberry's very name. And this brilliantly illustrates the absolute chaos of our everyday naming conventions. Botanically speaking, a strawberry develops from a flower that has multiple ovaries, which actually makes it an aggregate fruit, not a true berry. Plus, its seeds are right there on the outside. So the fruit literally named a berry is completely kicked out of the scientific berry club, while the banana is just chilling in there. So yeah, it is technically true. It's just this hilarious reminder that the words we use every single day often have literally zero alignment with technical facts. The stuff that sounds entirely fake is actually true, and what sounds super obviously true is totally false. It's like this wonderful little glitch in the matrix of language versus reality. So I want to leave you guys with this burning question to think about. What other everyday names might be completely wrong? If the strawberry is just straight up lying to us with its own name, and the banana is secretly a berry, what other fake-sounding facts do we all just blindly accept every single day? Seriously, I highly encourage you to go out and start questioning the everyday facts you take for granted.